So my name is Vanawusu. I'm playing the character of Damien. And I mean, so far on set, it's been amazing. I'm excited to see this film, and I'm excited for y'all to see this film too.
I think we got it.
My name is Andrew Kogalanat. I'm an actor and I'm playing Dr. Myers on set today. Yeah, it's fun. Just anticipating a lot of fun on the set. Expectations are for it to be a good shoot. It's just one scene, but it's a fun script. Yeah. I feel good. Just had a run through.
We're also going to mic up Hannah. Let's go ahead and mic her up. Hannah, we're gonna get
This is our GMP. We call it a GMP. It's a bracelet that triggers retrograde amnesia, wipes out your memory completely. I'm behind it.
It's great body language. It's great performance. Very phenomenal.
So, we're out here on the Transcend film shoot sort of thing. I'm having a good time. I'm waiting for my shot. I am playing Leah. I'm the girlfriend or friend. That's a girl. Other than that, I hope y'all stay tuned.
Could you go closer to him? Yeah, right there. Do what you guys were just doing. Just a little bit more.
Hold it.